I beg, come back more. Small.
How are you?
The laws.
Just trying to keep up with. I think he began to speak out 29. Yes, people were after
Thank you so much.
This shows.
Well, the NSA requested to meet the governors to attend the meeting. It just shows the proactiveness of this administration to say, let's discuss issues robustly, let's engage with the states. Unlike before, the NSA's office never engaged directly with the states. So this is a good development and briefing us on security within the country and the context and how to engage better with the National Security Advisor's Office, communication-wise, capacity building between the Office of the National Security Advisor and Chief Security Officers and security advisors in the state. So it's much more about robust engagement and setting a new agenda for security in Nigeria.
We've also seen a situation where recently there are so many concerns about our neighbor, Niger. As a forum, we've spoken to some governors as individuals, but as a forum, was there any concern raised about what is happening at our neighbors' country?
The issue didn't come up. On the issue of Niger did not come up. The NSA did tell us, well, about the meeting that he brokered between the frontline states, bordering Niger Republic, and the president, which we also saw in the media as well. But as a forum, the issue of Niger was not discussed.
Leave that place now.